In previous lecture, we discussed up to the organoleptic agent in which sweeteners. In today's lecture, we are going to start next point in pharmaceutical aid is preservatives. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A preservative is a natural or synthetic chemical, or preservatives are the substances, or you can say these are the natural or synthetic chemicals that it is added to pharmaceutical product to prevent decomposition by the microbial growth or by undesirable chemical changes. Means एखादा फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्ट आहे त्या फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्टचं डिकम्पोजिशन होतं मायक्रोबियल ग्रोथ मायक्रोबची ग्रोथ झाल्यामुळे तो प्रोडक्ट डिकम्पोज होतो और अनडिझायरेबल केमिकल चेंजेस म्हणजे डिझायर नसलेले केमिकल चेंजेस त्या फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्ट मध्ये ऑफर होतात अँड टू प्रिव्हेंट दिस रोल नंबर 52 एनी प्रॉब्लेम
No, ma'am.
to prevent this problem or avoid this undesirable chemical changes in the pharmaceutical product or to avoid this decomposition. Prevent means stop, right? So to prevent this decomposition by microbial growth, preservatives are added in the pharmaceutical product. Definition of preservative is preservatives are the substances or natural or synthetic chemicals that is they are added into the pharmaceutical product to prevent the decomposition by microbial growth. Microbial growth होऊन जे decomposition त्या product होणार आहे ते decomposition preservatives prevent करतात and also or undesirable chemical changes त्या product मध्ये जे chemical changes होणार आहेत these changes also undesirable chemical changes also prevented by this preservative and that's why they are added into the pharmaceutical product. Also another definition for the preservative is these are the substances those are commonly added to the various foods or pharmaceutical products in order to prolong their shelf lives is known as preservative. Prolong their shelf life means the pharmaceutical product ची shelf life prolongs करतात. Prolong their prolong चं meaning माहिती आहे?
No, ma'am.
जास्त time.
दीर्घकाळ.
Their shelf life means time or period during which the material or this product may be stored remains up to their use म्हणजे त्याचा यूज होईपर्यंत त्या टाइम पर्यंत which is suitable up to the use तो प्रोडक्ट सुटेबल राहावा to maintain or to prolong shelf life त्या प्रोडक्टला शेल्फ लाईफ प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी किंवा प्रोलॉंग ठेवण्यासाठी preservatives are added into the some food product or also in the pharmaceutical products. So these are the substances they are commonly added into the various foods and pharmaceutical products in order to prolong the shelf life of the pharmaceutical product is known as preservative. Shelf life means it is in a time or period during which the material is stored and remains suitable for the use of this consumer or the user. Then the addition of preservative to the product that have higher water content is essential for avoiding alteration and degradation by the microorganism during the storage. Addition of the preservative.
Skin दिसत नाही.
Yes.
Skin.
स्लाइड दिसत नाहीये मॅम.
So preservatives added in the pharmaceutical product to avoid decomposition of the microbial growth. If there is microbial growth in the pharmaceutical product is occur, then it is prevented by preservative. That's why preservatives are added in the pharmaceutical product. Then sometimes there is a spoiling of this pharmaceutical product. Spoil meaning माहिती आहे spoiling, खराब होणे. If sound is audible to all,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
chemical preservation cannot be totally keep product from the spoiling, but they are slow spoiling. Means sometimes there is chances to spoil this pharmaceutical product because of microorganism, presence of microorganism in the pharmaceutical product. They cause decomposition of this product or spoiling of this product. That's why preservatives are added in the pharmaceutical product. Some frozen product means frozen products. You have any idea about frozen product? Yes or no? फ्रीज मध्ये स्टोर केलेले प्रोडक्ट अँड ऑल्सो कॅन्डेड फूड्स माहितीये?
No, ma'am.
कॅन पॅकेजिंग मटेरियल्स मध्ये आपण कॅन स्टडी केलेला, स्टीप ब्लिस्टर कॅन्स,
Yes, ma'am.
मेटलचं कंटेनर. हा, तर त्या मेटलच्या कंटेनर मध्ये जे फूड स्टोर केले जातात दॅट इज कॅन्ड फूड्स. सो इन द फ्रोझन फूड्स अँड द कॅन्ड फूड्स प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह आर ॲडेड. जे फ्रीज मध्ये स्टोअर केले जातात त्या फूड्स मध्ये आणि मेटल कंटेनर मध्ये स्टोअर केले जाणाऱ्या फूड्स म्हणजे सॉस, टोमॅटोचे सॉस, देन सूप्स, दे आर स्टोअर्ड इन द कॅन्ड कंटेनर in which preservatives are added. So what is preservative? Why they are added in the pharmaceutical product or foods?
To avoid decomposition of microbial growth and spoiling the pharmaceutical product.
Okay, to avoid the spoiling of this pharmaceutical product or food preparation, and also to prevent the decomposition or any undesirable chemical change. That's why preservatives are added. Then next point, ideal properties of preservative. It should be non-irritant, non-toxic, and physico-chemically stable. Non-irritant. What is non-irritant? Irritation, irritant, non-irritant. Means the preservative should be non-irritant. Means it does not causes any irritation. Then non-toxic and physico-chemically they are stable in the nature. Then it should be compatible with the other ingredients used in the formulation. Means ज्या फॉर्म्युलेशन मध्ये किंवा फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्ट मध्ये आपण प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह ऍड करणार आहेत तो प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह त्या फार्मास्युटिकल इन्ग्रेडियंटशी कंपॅटेबल असायला पाहिजे. Preservative should be compatible with the ingredients which are used in the formulation. Pharmaceutical formulation मध्ये असणाऱ्या इंग्रेडियंटशी प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह हे कंपॅटेबल असायला पाहिजे. It should act as antimicrobial agent and exert wide spectrum activity. Means antimicrobial agent. What is antimicrobial agent?
Microbial kill करना.
Microbial kill करणे.
Kill the living organisms.
Yes.
Destroy, kill.
They act as antimicrobial agent. And antimicrobial agent means these are the agent they kills or inhibit the growth of microorganism. So preservative act as the antimicrobial agent and exert their wide spectrum activity. Spectrum of activity, narrow spectrum and wide spectrum. हे दोन spectrum असतात activityचे. Some drugs act on the wide spectrum and some drugs act on the narrow spectrum. Then in which antimicrobial or preservatives act as antimicrobial agent and exert means they shows their activity on which spectrum? Narrow or wide?
Wide.
Wide.
Means preservatives having the wide spectrum activity. Then spectrum means range, wide range and narrow range. Then it should be potent and act effectively in the small concentration. Means it should be powerful or it should having the great influence or effect and effective in the small concentration. म्हणजे प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह जर स्मॉल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन मध्ये कमी प्रमाणात प्रपोर्शन मध्ये ऍड केले तर ते इफेक्टिव्ह असतात. पोटेंट मीन्स दे शोज देअर इन्फ्लुएन्स और इफेक्ट. Then it should maintain activity throughout the product manufacturing, shelf life and uses. म्हणजे प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह ची जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे, प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह मेंटेन देअर ऍक्टिव्हिटी थ्रूआउट द प्रोडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, शेल्फ लाईफ अँड युजेस. प्रोडक्टचा यूज कंझ्युमर जोपर्यंत यूज करतो तोपर्यंत तो प्रोडक्ट सुटेबल फॉर्म मध्ये ऍज सच ठेवण्यासाठी at the time of manufacturing preservatives are added. Shelf life meaning समजलंय? Shelf life of the product. Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am. अजून एकदा सांग.
Okay. So shelf life means any material or any pharmaceutical product. The time which is required or period which is during the material may be stored and remains suitable for the use. म्हणजे एखादा फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्ट आहे ते मटेरियल किंवा ते प्रोडक्ट स्टोअर केलं जातं अप टू देअर यूज, सुटेबल त्याचा म्हणजे ते खराब होत नाही. सुटेबल फॉर द यूज, कंझ्युमरच्या यूज साठी सुटेबल राहावं तिथपर्यंतचा जो पिरियड आहे तो पिरियड प्रोलॉंग करायचा. म्हणजे एक्सपायर व्हायच्या अगोदर त्या प्रोडक्टला त्याची शेल्फ लाईफ म्हणजे तो प्रोडक्ट सुटेबल राहावा त्यासाठी प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह ऍड केले जातात. दॅट इज टाइम और पीरियड विच इज ड्युरिंग द मटेरियल इज स्टोर्ड फॉर सुटेबल फॉर द यूज ऑफ कंझ्युमर इज नोन ॲज शेल्फ लाईफ. शेल्फ लाईफ हा एक पिरियड आहे, टाइम आहे. कोणता टाइम आहे तर इन विच ते मटेरियल आपण स्टोअर करतोय विच इज सुटेबल फॉर द यूज ऑफ कंझ्युमर. समजले शेल्फ लाईफ मिनिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the ideal properties of preservatives. Any doubt related to ideal properties and definition of preservative?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Any doubt related to ideal
ma'am.
properties?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then next point, classification of preservatives. It is mainly classified into two types. First one based on their mechanism of action, means action of this preservative, and second one from the based on the source, means from biology, from there they obtained, that is based on the source. How many classes? Mainly it is classified into
Two.
two classes, in which first one based on the mechanism of action, it is again classified into three classes. First one is antioxidant, second one is antimicrobial agent, and third one is chelating agent. First one is first class in the antioxidants. These are the agents that prevent oxidation of the drugs which otherwise undergoes the degradation due to the oxidation, as they are sensitive to the oxidation. Means antioxidants means these are the agents that prevent oxidation. You can write this definition. These are the agents they prevent the oxidation are known as antioxidant. Or these are the agents they prevent oxidation of the drug which otherwise undergoes degradation. Means oxidation झाल्यानंतर एखाद्या ड्रगचं ते undergoes degradation होतं. Degradation means degrade होणं,
विघटन.
So ते oxidation after that degradation होऊ नये ते stop करण्यासाठी have to prevent oxidation. That's why antioxidant agents are the agent. They are sensitive to oxygen and they prevent the oxidation of drug. And if it is not prevented, the oxidation prevent nahi kela tar te which undergoes the degradation. That's why these are the agents. They are used to prevent the oxidation of drug. Then next one, examples of antioxidant agent. What are the examples of antioxidant agent?
Vitamin E,
Vitamin E,
vitamin C,
vitamin C,
butyl
Total hydroxylase amylase.
methylated hydroxylase, etc.
Vitamin E, then vitamin C, butylated hydroxyanisole, that is BHA, butylated B, hydroxy H, and anisole A, BHA. Then butylated hydroxytoluene, DHT. This long forms also asked for MCQ. What is BHA?
butylated hydroxyanisole,
What is BHT?
butylated
Butyl
hydroxyanisole,
hydroxylase.
Another name for vitamin E?
tocopherol,
Do you know? Tocopherol is the another name for vitamin E. Vitamin C,
ascorbic. No.
vitamin E, other name or chemical name?
Tocopherol. Vitamin E ला tocopherol लिहितात.
And vitamin C, ascorbic acid.
Ascorbic acid.
Then second class based on the mechanism of action is the antimicrobial agent. These are the agents that act against gram-positive and the gram-negative microorganism, which is responsible for causing degradation of the pharmaceutical product. Do you know gram-positive and gram-negative microorganism bacteria?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the types of microorganism, gram-positive and the gram-negative microorganism. So antimicrobial agents, these are the agents that act against gram-positive and the gram-negative microorganism. And this gram-positive and gram-negative microorganism, they are responsible to cause degradation. तर ते microorganisms जे आहेत ते त्या pharmaceutical productचं degradation करतात. And that's why antimicrobial act on this gram-positive and gram-negative microorganism त्याच्या against act करतात आणि ते जे डिग्रेडेशन होणार आहे फार्मास्युटिकल प्रोडक्टचं ते अवॉइड करतात. So antimicrobial agents are the agent those act against the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria or microorganism are known as antimicrobial agent. Their examples:
Sodium benzoate,
sorbate,
methyl paraben.
35 examples of antimicrobial agent.
Hello, ma'am.
Examples of
Sodium benzoate, sorbate, methyl paraben, propyl paraben.
Okay, these are the antimicrobial agent. Examples: sodium benzoate, sorbates, methyl paraben, and propyl paraben. Do you understand antimicrobial agents meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is meant by antimicrobial agent? Antimicrobial agent.
These are agents that act adjacent positive and gram-negative microorganisms responsible for causing
Act against, or you can say these are the agents that stop the action of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria or microorganism. Microorganism ची action stop करतात, prevent करतात. These agents are known as antimicrobial agents. Then next class, chelating agents. These are the agents which forms the complex with the pharmaceutical ingredient and prevent the degradation of pharmaceutical formulation. Complex formation, माहिती आहे? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A plus B, it gives chemical reaction. Zinc plus oxide, it gives
Zinc oxide.
Oxide.
no, that is complex formation. Means preservative हे complex form करतात with pharmaceutical ingredient. ज्या dosage form मध्ये आपण preservatives add केलेले आहेत त्याच्याबरोबर preservatives त्याच्यामध्ये असलेला pharmaceutical ingredient बरोबर एक complex form करतात and that complex help to prevent the degradation. आणि त्या pharmaceutical formation चे degradation तो complex prevent करतो. These agents are known as chelating agent. Question on this point is like that: which agent forms complex? Their option will be antimicrobial, chelating, preservative, and antioxidant. Answer will be
Chelating.
okay. Then examples of chelating agent:
Disodium,
Sodium,
diamine,
trichloram, tetraacid, phosphate,
citric acid.
okay, disodium ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, that is EDTA. Then polyphosphates and citric acid. Got this point? Chelating agent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Then second classification based on source. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In which first one is natural preservatives, means naturally occurring preservatives. These are the substances obtained from natural source such as plant, mineral sources, and animal sources, and which act as antimicrobial agent. Natural means, of course, their source will be plant, mineral, and animal, and which act as these naturally occurring preservatives act as antimicrobial agent. Their examples:
Neem oil, sodium, honey, etc.
Exit.
okay, honey is act as natural preservative, also lemon, sodium chloride, and neem oil. The next class, artificial preservative. You can write these both points from the colorant, natural colorant. कोणता source होता त्याचा? Natural colorant. Natural colors मध्ये कोणते sources study केले?
Minerals and plants.
So here same preservatives also from the natural source, from the plant, minerals, and animals. And artificial means synthetic process, chemical synthesize करून. क्या as natural असते?
No, ma'am.
Chemical synthesis.
Chemical synthesis.
जे नॅचरल प्रोडक्ट आहेत त्याच्यावर process करून artificially ते मॅन्युफॅक्चर केले जातात. That is, these are the agents prepared by chemical synthesis which act against various microorganisms in the small concentration. Means जे artificially जे prepare केलेले preservatives आहेत ते act against जे microorganism आहेत त्याच्या against act करतात in the small concentration. Small concentration मध्ये ते त्यांच्या against act करतात, and those are prepared by naturally or chemical synthesis.
Chemical synthesis.
Chemical synthesis. Chemical synthesis.
Then examples of artificial preservatives are
Benzoate, sodium, benzoate, and nitrates, etc.
Their examples are benzoate, sodium benzoate, sorbates, propionates, and nitrites. This is classification of preservative. You have any doubt related to classification?
No, ma'am.
Okay, how many classes?
2 classes.
Classes.
First class, which is again subdivided
Natural
classes.
preservative.
Natural. Then second,
Artificial.
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 Transfers. Then classes from based on mechanism action. How many classes?
Two classes.
Classes.
Which first one is
Antioxidants.
Antimicrobial
Statin
agents.
then next point. Let's see one by one. Preservatives. Okay, first one is ethyl alcohol. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 14. Are you present? 14. Sushmita Kamble. Roll number 7. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 8. Read the ethyl alcohol. That is ethanol.
Ethanol is bacterial in aqueous mixture of concentration between 16% and 95 weight volume by volume. The optimum concentration is generally considered to be 17%. Antimicrobial activity is enhanced in the presence of editing acid or editing salt. Ethanol is force inactivated in the presence of non-weak surfactants and is ineffective agent bacterial.
Okay, first one preservative is ethyl alcohol, that is ethanol. It is bactericidal in aqueous mixture at the concentration between 60 to 95% volume by volume. What is bactericidal? Do you know anyone?
Bacteria kill करणारे.
Okay, so bactericidals, they kill the bacteria. So ethyl alcohol or ethanol, it is a bactericidal, that is which kills the bacteria, and in the aqueous mixture मध्ये जे काही bacteria आहेत ते ethanol kill करतात. Then at the concentration, किती आहे concentration?
60% and 95%
Then 95.
volume.
Okay. The optimum concentration is generally considered to be optimum. Means medium concentration range दिलेले आहे 70% volume by volume. What is optimum concentration?
70%.
70% volume per.
Antimicrobial activity of this ethanol is enhanced by presence of editic acid or edentate salt. By adding editic acid or edentate salt, antimicrobial activity of ethanol is enhanced. Enhanced means increased. Then ethanol is poor inactivated in the presence of non-ionic surfactant and is ineffective against bacteria. Bacterial spore. Sporeचं meaning काय आहे? Bacterial spore. Bacterial spores. Do you know? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
बॅक्टेरियल स्पोअर म्हणजे जिथून बॅक्टेरिया प्रोड्यूस होतात. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया स्पोअर्स.
Small bacteria.
It is inactivated in presence of non-ionic surfactant. म्हणजे इथेनॉल जे आहे is a spore inactivated in presence of non-ionic surfactant. Surfactant जे आहे ते non-ionic. It is one of the type of surfactant, means this not undergoes the ionization process when they are dissolved in the water. Water मध्ये dissolve केल्यावर त्यांचं ionization होत नाही. These agents are known as non-ionic surfactant. इथेनॉल हे inactivated असतात in presence of non-ionic surfactantच्या and they are ineffective against bacterial spore. Bacterial sporeच्या against ते inactive असतात. ऑप्टिमम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन किती आहे?
70.
And bactericidal, then their concentration range, concentration in between
60% and 95 kV.
Volume by volume.
okay. Bacterial spore bacteria, then त्याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन तुम्हाला 12th मध्ये झालं असेल. बॅक्टेरियल सेल्सचं स्ट्रक्चर होतं, ॲनिमल सेल, प्लांट सेल. येस ऑर नो?
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Then next preservative is tocopherol. Roll number 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the tocopherol.
Tocopherol is source of vitamin E and it is commercially available preservative. Amongst pterophycal beta, delta and gamma pterophycals are considered to be more effective antioxidants. Alpha pterophycal is highly lipophilic compound and is an excellent solvent in many popularly soluble drugs.
Roll number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the tocopherol.
Alpha tocopherol is a source of vitamin E and is a commercially available preservative. Among tocopherol, the beta, delta, and gamma tocopherols are considered to be more effective and as antioxidant. Alpha tocopherol is highly lipophilic compound and is an excellent solvent for many poorly soluble drugs.
Okay. So first one is alpha tocopherol. Alpha tocopherol is a source of vitamin E. Another name for vitamin E,
Tocopherol.
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 then it's commercially available preservative. तर हे जे tocopherol आहे that is vitamin A, it is commercially available. व्यावसायिकदृष्ट्या हे preservative म्हणून available आहे. Amongst the tocopherol, commercial means in the market or selling, buying. Amongst the tocopherol, the beta, delta, gamma tocopherols are considered. These are the types of tocopherol. Which types?
Beta, delta, and
Delta,
gamma.
gamma.
Beta, delta, and gamma tocopherols are considered to be more effective as an antioxidant. Antioxidant. What is antioxidant?
Prevents the oxidation.
Because oxidation undergoes through degradation. That's why this agent act by preventing the oxidation are known as antioxidant agent. So alpha, beta, delta and gamma tocopherols are considered to be more effective antioxidant. And alpha tocopherol is a source of vitamin E and it is commercially available as a preservative. Then alpha tocopherol is highly lipophilic compound. What is mean by lipophilic compound? Lipophilic, hydrophilic.
असणारे लव
Yes.
लिपिड्स लाईक असणारे.
Okay. So these are the compounds having ability to dissolve in the fats, lipids, oils or non-polar solvent. That is lipophilic. Hydrophilic means it is related to water, aqueous preparation. Is an excellent solvent for many poorly soluble drugs. तर हा टोकोफेरॉल अल्फा टोकोफेरॉल हा काय आहे हायली लिपोफिलिक कंपाऊंड आहे and it is an excellent solvent. हे एक गुड सॉल्व्हंट आहे फॉर मेनी पुअरली सोल्युबल ड्रग. जे पुअरली सोल्युबल ड्रग्स आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी हा एक्सलंट सॉल्व्हंट आहे. कोण बीटा के अल्फा टोकोफेरॉल which tocopherol is highly lipophilic compound?
अल्फा
Alpha-tocopherol.
Which tocopherol is excellent for many poorly soluble drugs?
अल्फा टोकोफेरॉल.
Then next preservative is okay. Before that, related to tocopherols. Tocopherols are of the value in oil or fat-based pharmaceutical products are normally used in concentration. Means जे oil or fat-based pharmaceutical products आहेत. Oil or fat means it is related to creams, lotions, O by W, W by O emulsion चे types आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये tocopherol which is used as a preservative. म्हणजे त्या pharmaceutical products मध्ये ते tablets मध्ये oil or fats असतं.
No.
Emulsion लिक्विड डोसेज फॉर्म आहेत. इमल्शन सेमी सॉलिड मध्ये क्रीम्स त्याच्यामध्ये ऑइल O by W टाइप इमल्शन W by O टाइप इमल्शन in which this tocopherol is added which act as a preservative. And what its concentration range?
0.001 volume by volume.
Okay. Then its antioxidant effectiveness can be increased by addition of oil soluble synergistic such as lecithin and ascorbate palmitate. Means जी antioxidant property आहे tocopherol ची त्याची effectiveness जी आहे as a preservative or as an antioxidant agent त्याची ती activity increase केली जाते. How it is increased? It is increased by addition of oil soluble synergistic substances. कोणते substances आहेत?
Soluble synergies.
Oil soluble synergistic substances such as काय आहेत examples?
Lecithin and
Palmitate.
Lecithin, acrobial, palamate.
Are used as a oil soluble synergistic. Synergistic means to enhance the effect. One drugs combines with the another, then they gives more beneficial pharmacological action. So these oil soluble synergistics are added in antioxidant and enhance their antioxidant or preservative property. कोणते एजंट्स ऍड केले जातात? Tell me the names of oil soluble synergistic.
Lecithin, acrobial, palamate.
Okay, the next preservative is sodium benzoate. (28) roll number. Roll number 28. Are you present? 29. Sound is audible to all.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sodium benzoate.
Sodium benzoate is used as
that becomes effective at a concentration of 0.02 to 0.5% in oral medicine, 0.5% in parental products, and 0.1 to 0.5% in cosmetics. It is effective over a narrow pH range and is used in reference to benzoic acid due to its greater solubility. It may impart an unpleasant
Okay, so sodium benzoate, it is used as a preservative and it becomes effective. म्हणजे सोडियम बेन्झोएट हा प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह म्हणून यूज केला जातो, बट फॉर द ओरल म्हणजे डिफरंट टाइपच्या फॉर्म्युलेशन मध्ये त्याचं जे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे त्याची रेंज डिफरंट आहे. ओरल मेडिसिन्स मध्ये काय आहे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन?
0.02
पॅरेंटल प्रोडक्ट्स मध्ये
0.5%
आणि इन कॉस्मेटिक
0.1 to
0.5.
Okay, so these are the ranges or concentration, and this concentration, as per their different concentration, they are used in the different pharmaceutical dosage form. It is effective over the narrow pH range. Narrow pH range असल्यावरती ते effective आहे. And it is used in the preference to the benzoic acid due to its greater solubility. सोडियम बेन्झोएट ची solubility greater असल्यामुळे ते बेन्झोइक ऍसिडच्या प्रेफरन्स मध्ये यूज केले जातात. Means if the benzoic acid is used as a preservative, at that in this combination sodium benzoate is replaced. It may impart an unpleasant flavor to the product. Means ज्या pharmaceutical product मध्ये sodium benzoate as a preservative act होतोय तो त्या प्रोडक्टचा फ्लेवर अनप्लीएजंट करतो, इम्पार्ट आणि अनप्लीएजंट फ्लेवर मीन्स डिसएग्रीएबल फ्लेवर करतो त्या प्रोडक्ट. समजलेत हे पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट पॉइंट आहे त्याचं डिफरंट कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन रेंज. राईट द or what is concentration of sodium benzoate in the cosmetic or oral medicine or parental products. हे MCQ ला असतं. Okay. आणि हे sodium benzoate they are effective over the narrow pH range. Narrow pH ranges इथे effective असतात and also they may impart the unpleasant flavor to the product. Then next preservative is potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate's preservative efficacy increases with decreasing the pH and it is most effective below the pH 4.5. Means its efficacy is increased by decreasing the pH. pH decrease करून त्याची efficacy increase केली जाते and it is affected below the temperature 4.5. How the efficacy of potassium benzoate is increased? Sound is audible to
Potassium
all.
Yes.
Potassium benzoate preservative ची efficacy कशी increase केली जाते?
below pH.
Decreasing pH
Decreasing pH and
Decreasing
increasing
pH below pH.
Sodium benzoate, it is a preservative efficacy is increases by decreasing pH. pH त्याचा decrease करायचा आहे and then it is most effective at which pH? pH range
below pH.
4.5. 4.5.
However, at the very low pH, undissociated benzoic acid may produce perceptible taste in the product. जर का त्याचा लो pH असेल तर ते undissociated benzoic acid and may produces perceptible taste in the product. pH लो असेल तर ते undissociate होतात benzoic acid बरोबर and बेन्झोएट म्हणजे पोटॅशियम बेन्झोएटच्या कंपोजिशन रिलेटेड आहे बेन्झोइक ऍसिड. जर त्याची पीएच रेंज मोस्टली ते इफेक्टिव्ह कधी आहे पीएच बिलो दी 4.5 ला आणि जर पीएच त्याच्यापेक्षा खाली असेल तर ते अनडिसोसिएट होतात बेन्झोइक ऍसिड बरोबर आणि त्या प्रोडक्टची टेस्ट कशी करतात परसेप्टिबल टेस्ट टू दिस प्रोडक्ट. देन इट इज युज्ड ॲज अ अल्टरनेटिव्ह alternative to the sodium benzoate in application where the low sodium content is desirable. म्हणजे अल्टरनेटिव्ह सोडियम बेन्झोएटचा अल्टरनेटिव्ह म्हणून पोटॅशियम बेन्झोएट also यूज केला जातो and its application where the low sodium content is desirable. The sodium content low असेल at that time पोटॅशियम बेन्झोएट हे त्याचं ऍप्लिकेशन हे युजफुल आहे किंवा डिझायरेबल आहे. समजते हे पॉइंट्स 3 पोटॅशियम बेन्झोएट. फर्स्ट वन पॉइंट इज साउंड इज ऑडिबल टू ऑल.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Point in the potassium benzoate is it act as preservative and त्याची preservative ची efficacy ही increase केली जाते by decreasing their pH. त्याचा pH कमी करून and it is most effective to the below the pH 4.5. However, at very low pH, जर एकदम कमी pH असेल तर ते undissociate होतात benzoic acid बरोबर and produces perceptible taste to that pharmaceutical formulation or product. Then it is an alternative to the sodium benzoate. कोणत्या प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह साठी हा अल्टरनेटिव्ह आहे?
Sodium benzoate.
सोडियम बेन्झोएट साठी आणि जर का सोडियमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन किंवा कंटेंट कमी असेल तर यूज ऑफ पोटॅशियम बेन्झोएट इज डिझायरेबल. देन नेक्स्ट इज मिथाइल पॅराबेन. 53. Read the methyl paraben. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Madam.
54.
ma'am.
Methyl paraben. Read.
Methyl paraben is used almost all type of pharmaceutical formulation. It may be either alone or in combination with other parabens or with other antimicrobial agent. Methyl paraben is most effective against yeast and molds over wide range of pH and have broad spectrum of antimicrobial activity. Its preservative efficacy can also be improved by the addition of propylene glycol 2 to 5% or by using parabens in combination.
Okay, so methyl paraben is the next preservative in which methyl paraben is almost used in all the types of pharmaceutical formulations. All the types of pharmaceutical formulations आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये मेनली मिथाइल पॅराबेन यूज केलं जातं. त्यावेळेस तुम्ही इमल्शन्स चे प्रिपरेशन प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये करताल और कोल्ड क्रीम किंवा लोशन्स तर त्याच्यामध्ये ऍज अ प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह म्हणून मिथाइल पॅराबीन आणि प्रोपाइल पॅराबीन यूज केले जातात हे समजेल तुम्हाला. Then it may be used either alone or in combination with the other parabens or with the other antimicrobial agent. Methyl paraben हा either alone तो single preservative ऍड केला जातो फार्मास्युटिकल डोसेज फॉर्म मध्ये or either it is given with म्हणजे other पॅराबिनच्या कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये दिला जातो किंवा other antimicrobial agents बरोबर दिला जातो. Methyl paraben is most effective against yeast and molds over the wide range of pH and have broad spectrum of antimicrobial activity. Methyl paraben is most effective against yeast and mold. Yeast and molds माहिती आहे types of organism. Do you know about yeast and molds? Bio मध्ये झालं असेल.
Molds माहिती
Yes.
Molds are the fungi. फंगाईच्या टाइप मध्ये येतात ते. Yeast, bacteria, molds, fungi, then
Yes, ma'am.
हे सगळे तुम्हाला काय
Yes,
असेल ऑर्गॅनिझम.
Yes, ma'am.
हा.
Yes, ma'am.
Methyl paraben हे mostly effective against yeast and molds जास्त over wide range of pH. pH ची रेंज wide आहे जास्त असते and have broad spectrum antimicrobial activity. Narrow spectrum and broad spectrum or wide spectrum. Wide, that is also broad spectrum. So methyl paraben having the broad spectrum antimicrobial activity. Then its preservative efficacy म्हणजे methyl paraben ची जी preservative activity आहे ती improve केली जाते by addition of propylene glycol. Their concentration is 2 to 5% or by using paraben in the combination. Efficacy of this methyl paraben is improved by adding which agent?
Propylene glycol.
Glycol or by using paraben. Other paraben त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड केले जातं आणि त्याची efficacy increase केली जाते. Did you get methyl paraben?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to remember this addition agent means preservative activity or this preservative, their activity is added by which agent? The agents important आहेत. Then next one. Propyl paraben. Propyl paraben is benzoate ester, that is propyl is of 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. Chemical composition सांगितलंय propyl paraben is a which type of the ester?
Benzoate ester.
Benzoate ester or propyl ester of 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. It is typically used in many water-based cosmetics such as creams, lotions, shampoos, and bath products. Cosmetics, माहिती असतील.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cream, lotion, shampoo, and bath products च्या preparation मध्ये propyl paraben as a preservative म्हणून use केला जातो. It can be also used in food additives म्हणजे food मध्ये as a preservative म्हणून याचा यूज केला जातो. Then it acts as an antifungal agent and antibacterial agent. Proparaben is act as antimicrobial as well as antifungal agent. This is about propyl paraben, which is act as preservative added to prevent the growth of microorganisms or to prevent the decomposition of pharmaceutical product. Roll number 22. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the propyl paraben.
Propyl paraben is a benzoate ester, propyl ester of 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. It is typically used in many water-based cosmetics such as creams, lotions, shampoos, and bath products. It can also be used as food additive. It acts as an antifungal agent and an antimicrobial agent.
Okay, food additive. It is used as a food additive. Additives means these are the substances those are added in very small concentration to improve or to preserve this formulation. So as a food additive म्हणून propyl paraben हे फूडचे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड केलं जातं. This is all about preservative. Firstly, we discuss definition and introductory part of preservative. After that, ideal properties of preservative. Then classification, mainly two classes based on their mechanism and based on the source. In mechanism, chelating agent, antimicrobial agent, antioxidant, and based on their source, natural preservative and artificial preservative. Then their examples. After that, one by one preservative we discuss, in which first one ethyl alcohol, their properties, second tocopherol, then third one sodium benzoate, potassium benzoate, which is used alternative for the sodium benzoate, and its efficacy is increased by decreasing pH, and there if it is in very low pH, then it produces perceptible test to the pharmaceutical product. Then next one methyl paraben, their efficacy is increased by addition of propylene glycol. It is either given in combination or alone or with the antimicrobial agent. Then last one preservative is propyl paraben. It is ester of propyl or benzoate ester of 4-hydroxy benzoic acid, and it is typically used in water-based cosmetic, water-soluble cosmetics such as creams, lotion, shampoo, and bath products. It is also used as a food additive in the food preparations. And last one, it acts as antimicrobial and antifungal agent. This is all about preservative. Here we complete preservative, and also unit 3 pharmaceutical aid, in which firstly organoleptic agents, sweetening agent, flavoring agent, and colorant, and second part preservative. Any doubt related to preservative or whole unit